na nababaw kabalen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, dinayo po namin ang Capas Tarlac para po bisitahin ang Kaboom Diners. Yon. So all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga, I think almost an hour. Yes. Parang ganun, no? Pero pagdating natin dito, grabe, ang ganda ng place. Pero very, para sa akin, it's very romantic na.
More on al fresco dining sila. So
yes.
Talagang ma-feel mo yung hangin and yung vibe dito. So sa mga food naman, they are offering pasta, chicken, burgers, salad, soup, and many more.
Taga Tarlac and taga Pampanga, meron na po tayong bibisitahin dito. So if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so this is it. This is the place. As soon as you enter here, ayan, ito yung mga tables natin. And they are actually setting it up for our dining. Ayan, sama natin si Ma'am Gladys. Hey, Miss Gladys! Yo! Ito yung Kaboom Diners. Ayan, so this is located dito sa Santo Domingo, Capas Tarlac. So ang dami pa nilang mga plans for this place. And it's really huge, no? And syempre, isa sa mga dinayo namin dito is yung pagkain. So tara, upo na tayo at tikman na natin to.
So dito sa Kaboom, available yung mga squad bundles nila. So meron tayong dito sample. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Squad Merienda Bundles 1. So meron siyang classic clubhouse. Meron din siyang smoky spaghetti. And yung kanilang nachos. Ayan. If ever na mas malaki naman kayo, around mga 6 to 5 packs. So meron tayo ditong Squad Bundles 4, which is, so meron siyang 8 pieces ketchups, 1 nachos overload, meron siyang sharing ng smoky spaghetti or yung kanilang creamy carbonara. At the same time, meron siyang 2 Caesar salad and choice cuts.
So yun guys, since squad meals yung mga sinerve nila para sa atin for today's vlog, kasama din natin ang squad. Ayan sila. So kasama natin silang kakain dito. And samahan niyo rin kami.
So we have yung kanilang classic clubhouse. Wow. So imagine, talagang kung gutom ka, ito yung kakainin mo. Same time, healthy siya. The best.
Hi, hello. This is Dane Lavarias of Kaboom Diner. I'd like to thank We're in Pampanga for visiting us here in our Capas branch. We would also like to invite you sa One Mall Valenzuela and into our Lookup Alaminos Pangasinan branch. So if you're looking for a very good place where you would like to celebrate your mini holidays with your squad, of course, with your family, your barkada, this is a very good place. And if you would like to enjoy very good food and in a very good place, this is the place to be. So we're also open for franchise. Would like to partner with us. So thank you, and we look forward to see you here in our branches.
So how was it, Mark? Kumusta ang pagkain?
So actually na-enjoy natin, lalo na yung mga squad, na-enjoy nila yung pagkain. Actually, this is a American-Filipino diner. So
Actually,
talagang anyone will enjoy it.
Ako, nag-enjoy din ako dun sa mga, actually yung chicken nila, yung parang chicken debone, yung fillet, parang ganun. I really like the flavor. And sobrang nag-enjoy ako dun.
Ako rin naman yung kanilang mga wings. So ang lalaki, at the same time napakalasa. And for sure, even yung mga family, barkada, and yung mga naghahanap ng mga bagong matatambayan dito sa Tarlac, Kaboom is available.
So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up and then share it with your friends. Make sure to check out Kaboom Diners. There you have it, guys.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.
So sa mga squad bundles natin, so if you want to have takeout, so nakalagay sila dito sa mga holly box and ready to go. Tara!